Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the rear left window fuse is located, guys, which fuses you need to check. It's two of them in two different fuse boxes. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the rear left window fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla, guys, right here. Now, by the way, guys, you have multiple fuse boxes. Today we're working two. The first fuse box that we need is under the hood. Open the hood facing the engine here under the cover. Right here on the right side, you will have a fuse box that's known as the main engine fuse box. By the way, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check another fuse for the rear left window. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste money and time looking for that stuff. So now the first fuse I need to check, if you come in that corner right here towards the passenger side in the window, the windshield, that first fuse right here, 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check. Next, you need to open the driver door. Once you guys open the driver door here, if you look under the dash upside down, on the bottom of the dash, you'll find one white cover that looks like this one. Pop it open. Behind it you'll find the main interior fuse box. Here for the rear left window we have to check one more fuse, and that's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That fuse number 12, that 20 amp fuse, it's the main fuse for the rear left window. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.